Hare Krishna. So we are there in a 16th chapter. Yesterday we had discussed about first to seventh shloka we read, and we'll just have a quick recap. And in this chapter, like the divine and dominic natures. So seventh shloka, pravruti pravruti cha nivrutti cha janana vidurasura na socham na pichacharo na satyam teshu vidyate. Those who are dominic do not know what to do, what to be done, and what not to be done. Neither cleanliness, nor proper behavior, nor truth in found in them. So Prabhupada says in this purport, especially among the Aryas, those who adopt a Vedic civilization and who are known as the most advanced civilized people, those who do not follow the spiritual injection and supposed to be demons. So here in Prabhupada says they don't know because they don't follow the scriptures. The Dominic people, as yesterday we discussed, they don't wanted to accept the scriptures what they said, and they nor they wanted to follow it. So that is the biggest problem, because if whatever the sin what we do, uh, we don't know how this is a sinful activity, and we do it. But once if we go to the all the shastras and spiritual scriptures, then we come to know, okay, no, this is not a good for me, and this is a very bad. But by doing this act, I'll be get sinful activity, I'll get a reaction. But Dominic people, they don't accept at all. They don't accept God, and they don't accept the spiritual studies also. That is a problem. So in further, Prabhupada says, so here it is a cleanliness is mentioned. So I was discussing that in a college, we have seen that the students, they don't change their clothes regularly. So ideally speaking, if I say, there was a question before, one of the devotee asked in our forum that it was question that if somebody's get up at 2 o'clock and he was chanting, so what he should do. So what he should do. So every day we should wear fresh clothes. So that is a quality of one of the satoguna also, being situated in satoguna. Early morning rising, cleaning our body, uh, cleaning the belly, taking shower, brushing the teeth, uh, and taking a bath, wearing a fresh dress, go going to the altar what we have in the house, bowing down to the Lord, and bowing down to parents if they are staying with us, and studying a little bit from the scripture, chanting the holy name. And this is the idle grahastas. And but the Dominic people, they are not interested to follow this, and they don't want to want to understand this. They are not at all interested. So Manu Samhita, it is Prabhupada, if you go to the Prabhupada's purport in Manu Samhita, it is clearly said, a woman should be given not given freedom. So it doesn't mean that women should be kept as a slave, but they are like children. So demons have now neglected such injection, and they think that women should be given as much as freedom as men. However, this is a not important of a social condition of the world. Actually, a woman should be given protection at every stage of life. By the thousands, she should be protected by the father in her younger days, by the husband in a younger age, by the husband in her youth, and by the grown up son in her old age. This is a proper social behavior according to the Manu Samhita. So many boys and girls are polluted much before marriage. They are not living a pure life. Because of this, they will lose pure sense, vichara shakti, dharana shakti, they can lose. If we filled with a rajoguna and tamoguna, so like if we live like a Prabhupada explained here, we live just like a animal. So therefore, unclean and improper, we say this is not good, and it is a dominant nature. So what is the philosophy now? The philosophy, what they Dominic people they follow, that is comes in the next verse, eight verse. Asatyam te asat asatyam pratistam te jagadadwarirhinishwara aparapaspara sambhutam kimanyat kama hetukam. What they say? What you are talking about God? There is no God. Everything is come by chance. Only one thing, only one thing in this life is a sex life. They say. Kimanyat kam hetukam. Just man and woman unite together, and they come together and they just increase the population. So there is no basis for this world. This is Jagada Hur Ishwaram. So in this last, he said Jagada Hur Nishwaram. What they say. So Krishna is himself a Ishwar, and he said what? The Dominic people, there is no God in this material world, and everything is happening by chance. So Krishna is not saying, Krishna is saying behalf of them Dominic. So Dominic people, they understand that this is all happening just by chance, and there is no God exists. Sun is rising by chance, moon is rising by chance, water is coming by chance. And if we say this scientists have not produced anything by chance, Prabhupada always said in company, if somebody's get promotion, it is not automatic. It's somebody is approved. Somebody has approved your appraisal, and somebody has approved you. So it is not automatically. Airport door opens. It's automatically open, but there is a sensor. If we go in a 5-star hotel in a bathroom and we keep our hand on a tap near the tap, then automatically where water comes out. So there is a sensor. So everything is pre-planned. There is nothing happens in this material world by chance. But this is a foolish philosophy. They don't want to understand, because bringing God means bringing scriptures. Shastra ko padna padega, and Shastra what this says, to control our senses and don't enjoy. So because of that, these people are against it because they wanted to enjoy. They don't want to follow anything. Got it? If we go ahead, or so Krishna says what they do after this type of mentality. Etam dristimavastabhya nastatmanano alpabuddhayah prabhavantyoga karmanam shayaya jagato hitaha. 9th sloka. Shayaya jagato hitaya. Destroyer of this world. What is the meaning of this? Yetam drasti bhavastabhya nasta mano alpa buddhaya. Outlook in life, what the demons do? Alpa buddhaya. They destroy their own souls. You cannot destroy the souls, but what happens? They kill the souls means what? They kill the interest of the soul. Krishna says here, they kill the dominant nature, demonic nature people. They kill the interest of the soul. They kill the soul, means they kill the interest of the soul, because the interest of the soul is what? To connect with the God. The the soul wanted to go back home to Godhead, but these people, they stops soul. Smoking, drinking, for defending, and the not practicing four rules and regulations. So this is how they engage themselves in all the sinful activities. This is what Krishna wanted to say this. And this in this 10, 11, 12 shloka, काममाश्रित्य दुष्पूरं दम्भमानमदान्विताः मोहत गृहीत्वा असद्ग्राहात्मन प्रवर्तन्ते ashuchi vrataha. Ashuchi vrata means what? Prabhupada explains here. Ugra karmani. Here it is. You can say ugra karmani. There is uh, one shabda is here. The shloka in shloka. What? Ugra karmani. They try to enjoy material world at utmost limit. They always invent something for sense gratification. Materialistic sense gratification is considered as a advancement in human civilization. But what happened? People grow more and more violent, more and more cruel also, cruel to animals also. So long. So if I give the example, the slaughterhouse, how they come up and how the everyone gets do the promotion. See, earlier ages there was a animals are getting cutting in one somewhere in the outside of villages, and this was happening. But now thousands of animals are cut, head cut in just 1 second. It's a factory, and it is so demoniac, and this is so horrible. We cannot describe, because I don't want to describe also how this goes. All the things they brought all the so this is all. What happens when the person comes together, like human man and woman comes together, and they have relationship, and then and something, the byproduct comes. This says, okay, they don't want children. Then what happens? They kill the child by aborting. Kshayaya jagato hitaya. So they create bombs also. Hiroshima, Nagasaki, we know. They destroys other children of God. They don't have any sympathy. Ideally, if I say any education leads you to Sarve Janas. See, this is a famous verse we now come to know, because our Mananiya Narendra Modi ji have described so many times in his speeches. What actually we should live, how we should live. We should live Sarva Janana Sukhino Bhavantu, Sarva Santu Nirabhayam. Niramayam. Sarva Bhadrani Pashyantu. Mama Kaschet Dukha Bhavet. Means Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. All living entities should be happy, live life. Let there be the auspicious. That should be the prayer of everyone. See, there is one prayers is according to this slogan. So it's wonderful prayers with this is Sastra. So in this it's a very famous Sarva Janana Sukhino Bhavantu. It's already our Shastra said we have to be in very peace and calm. Every human should follow this, but we are producing the bombs and throwing to the other countries. So how the China created the virus and it is came to our this India and all over the world, and everybody's are facing a problem. So they create a very hellish situation for we create nuclear weapons and destroy. So the Prabhupada says they are not friends of the world. They are not friends of the world. Taking shelter and insatiable lust. So, such Dominic people are only attracted by wine, woman, gambling, and meat eating. Those are their asuchi, unclean habits, induced by pride and false prestige. They create some principles of religion which are not approved by the Vedic injections. Sex enjoyment and accumulation of material wealth. This is the problem. Uh, Krishna says this is the two most important things we have to keep ourselves away. What? Sex enjoyment and accumulation of material wealth. We already discussed about accumulation of wealth, how we should be. I won't take it in detail, but we have to keep away ourselves from sex desire also. We should. You know, in here it described the word asuchi vrata, unclean vows, is very insignificant woman gambling and meat eating. So gambling and meat eating, like we have to control on our gambling. Gambling means we should not play with the money. We should not deal in a material in a money way with others, and not to put money where you always keep in anxiety कि अगर आपने मटेरियल आपने पैसा कोई किसी को दिया है ब्याज पे या फिर आपने मार्केट में डाल दिया and because of the market fluctuation your mind is always there. So that's why Prabhupada said no gambling, and the Prabhupada also mentioned the market, the stock market also considered as a gambling. Yes, because sometimes we have seen that market is fallen down and immediately after few days market goes up and then coming down. So this is how happening. This is totally gambling. Somebody is playing behind a big game, and because of that the retailer player they suffers. They always put their money and they are getting trapped. So we should not do it. And because the past experience also everybody says this is not good for Krishna's students. Some of them bankers are in our group, so we should avoid doing it. So we should uh, keep be away uh, from our sex desires also. We should very control. And Krishna says how it will be controlled by purely chanting Krishna's name. That is only one thing. So this is a we have to control it. If I say in this people says we wanted to drink and everything because in Bhang and Shivas have had everything, but it is totally wrong. Shivji never took that. We say that Devar Purana says this, but in here it is described that people are says this Shankarji did, Shivji did, but because they wanted to enjoy, that's why they say he did it. अरे कृष्णा ने अर्जुन सॉरी शिव जी ने तो जहर भी पिया. Will you do it? People say that Krishna has 16,108 wives. So what? You will do it? No. कृष्णा ने गोवर्धन भी उठाया. आपने उठाया? कृष्णा ने क्या किया? आग पिया. दावाग्नि. पूरा जंगल का जो full fire he drank. So favorable things which we can enjoy in this our material world, we want to do Ras Leela, Garba खेलना है. Krishna, अरे कृष्णा तो खेलते थे आपके. People says why you don't play Garba because you are, and you are saying that you are followers of Krishna. Okay, I am followers of Krishna. Krishna played Ras Leela with whom? With the gopis. And what a pure devotion service. And I'm not in that consciousness. That if I go there and I indulge in that, what will happen? मेरा mind खराब हो गया तो? No, that's why we don't go into it. So, so we have to be away from these all activities. This is called as a, known as a ashuchi vrata. This is all unshuchi vrata, unclean vows. And what the attitudes they have? 11th, 12th verse comes, the what the attitude they have. Chintamana parimeyam cha pralayanduntum prashita kamapyoga parama eta videta nischita आशापाशते बर्दा काम क्रोध परायण इहन्ते काम भोगार्थम येनार्थ संचयानम अपमेयारम च. Because of this such a, because this type of activity, these people are always in anxiety. When if I give you the example, when the Pandavas were in 12 years of one vanvas, what Duryodhan was doing, you know, Duryodhan was constantly in anxiety. I have to take over the whole world before they comes. I will I will go around, and I will go around with all the close by the cities and give them, and I will conquer them, and I will be so he was always burning in the heart. But Pandavas were always they were very happy in the forest. They were performing yagyas. They were just having a very nice fruiters, and they got Arjuna went to the Swarg, and they got different weapons to fight. So they were enjoying actually. But this Dominic nature people, Duryodhan was having everything. Duryodhan के पास सब कुछ था. But still he was in anxiety. More, what will happen? They live in future. I will speak tomorrow about the fear, because everybody's in fear right now. I got a 3-4 calls last 2-3 days, and they are just worried about the jobs and everything. Are kya hoga sir, kya hoga? Some of my friends says, oh, this is not good, companies not this. So this is all the problems, and how we should overcome this, how we can come out of this. We'll have a discussion about tomorrow. So this is the nature of one Dominic. They Pandava, if we say Krishna, every day they used to come in forest. But in here Shakuni, Dushashan, Duryodhana, they were not happy. I'll tell you, if somebody is earning a money in a wrongly way, what will happen? In wrongly way, today or tomorrow, income tax raid will come. He cannot sleep peaceful if he did some wrong thing and he earned very shortly कोई कपड़ा so कोई पैसा कमाया है ना, कोई शॉर्टकट करके कोई पैसा ज्यादा कमाया है, अगर वो घर पे रख के देखो, आपको नींद नहीं आएगी. Because they're always in anxiety and they worry. What protection? इसको मैं कैसे संभालूं, कोई लेके जाएगा. So इसके लिए not to accumulate much, give charity, दान. There will be sometimes murders. We have seen that. We have so many examples. You all must be knowing there is a relations go in bad conditions. Money is looted by family, looted by others. Chinta, chinta maparimeyam cha pralaya namukti bushraha. They keep suffering. This type of people, they keep suffering in this life, and they because of they don't know the purpose of life, they keep suffering millions of life. Kamo, see, kamopabhoga parama etadvitiya nischita. They have decided that kama upabhog is parma. Enjoying life is the ultimate goal of life. It's just, they have decided. Nischita means they have decided. Pasha, pasha, shate, baddaha. They bound with the ropes. The demonic accept the enjoyment of the senses and ultimate goal of life, and this concept they maintain until that, like Hiranyakashipu, I say, they don't believe life after that. They didn't believe that every human being changes the body according to the karma. There are different karmas. They didn't accept it. So I'll tell you one example. One Kolkata businessman, he told the doctor, "Can you extend my life for 4 years? Because now you are saying I have a heart problem. So I please give me 4 years, and I can pay you whatever number of lakhs what you want. So I in 4 years I can hand over my business to my relatives, my sons, and then I can be relaxed. I can die." Doctor said, "I cannot sure that whether you can live for 4 hours also. How much you can live?" But these people are, they have spent their whole life for earning money, money, money. It's like honey, honey, honey. Money is like honey, sweeter than honey. कहावत है ना इंग्लिश में कुछ. Okay, forget it. And because the whole life they have not, they don't practice the uh, Krishna consciousness. They didn't read the scriptures, so the end moment, still they are worried about the what they have accumulated behind. But he don't know what is happening to my wealth. You know, Radheshyam Prabhu was giving example that he said one of the 67-year-old person came to meet him, and he said that I have a two daughters, two sons, I have a good business, so I have given handover to my son, and my daughters also married and they are also doing well off. So I came here to take your blessings, because I don't have anything to do now, because the business is running by my sons, and I don't have anything to do now. So I've come here to take your blessings. So Radhesham Prabhu said, "Okay, okay, you sit. What blessings I can give you?" He said, I have come to you to take the blessings for starting my new business. 67 years old. Prabhuji said, Radhesham Prabhu said, "You already what? You already 67. You did whole of your life business. You should do the Krishna conscious business. You should accept Krishna consciousness and spread Krishna consciousness. This is your end movement." But he cannot follow because he didn't practice. After 70, 80 also, they say they don't take out the time to hear about the God and chant the holy names. Even of the point of death. So this is Prabhupada's example that one guy. So demonic person who has no faith in God or the super soul within himself perform all kind of sinful activities simply for sense gratification. Simply for sense gratification. See what here says: perform all kind of sinful activities simply by sense gratification. Whatever activity we do, in this material world, you know, there is a 12 uh, they what we say do the वो उसकी साक्षी देते हैं 12 लोग. The 12 are ocean, earth, sun, moon, super soul, soul, devtas, agni. This is all six canto sakshi. They this all the sakshis, whatever activity we do. If we say, okay, I'm under this locked room, nobody is seeing me, I can do anything. But this 12, what Prabhupada explains in this purport, the 12 personalities, they gives the sakshi of your each and every karmas. But these people, they don't care of such sakshis also. जैसे मुझे नहीं पता 13-15 shlokas, what this is. Idamadyam mala labdimam prapyase manoratham idamasti idamapti me bhavishyanti punardhanam. This is what this shloka's translation is. This if we say this year I have a $1 million, second year I'll be having $2 million, तीसरे बार मेरे पास 4 करोड़ होंगे, 5 करोड़, and this how he wanted to accumulate. This shloka talks about I'll keep increasing my money. Athor maya hatas shatrur, slok number 14. Nirvishesha chaparanapi. So what is happening? If you accumulate more and more money, so there will be a shatru, enemy. Jealous people are already there. They will see your wealth and they will become your shatru. And what happens? So these people, they both fight. So this person who have accumulated wealth, he will fight with him to secure his wealth. Ishwaro mahami bhogi siddhoham balavana sukhi. I will become Ishwara. I am a greatest to the control in this field. I have a monopoly. Bhogi, I am a great enjoyer. Siddhoham. Siddhoham means perfect in all respect. And I am such a rich man. So many fellows come and I give charity. He feels very proud. He feels proud. So there is a very rich person, and he appointed one person whose work is that he keep boosting his boss's uh, praise. He always praise about the boss's quality. आप ऐसे हैं, आप बहुत महान है, आप बहुत है. Keep on telling about his glories, and he feels like very good, very good. Yes, I am. And for that he paid salary to that person who praises him. This is what the so in this what's it? आद्यो भी जीन वानस्ति अन्योस्मि सदृशो मया रक्षदास्यामि मोदिष्य इत्यज्ञान विमोहिता. He becomes extremely proud, such a person, demoniac people. Ravana, मैं लंका रनेश रावण बोल रहा हूँ. When he speaks, they give self importance. Demonic people, they cannot realize God at all. They think the whole world is revolving around by whom? Because of them. This is their own imagination. We have a very strong example. Like हमारे पास example है कि बैलगाड़ी जो गाड़ी होती है वो बैल खींचता है, ही पुल्स, बट उसके नीचे एक कुत्ता चलता है, तो कुत्ते को क्या लगता है कि मैं ही खींच रहा हूँ, राइट? सो so this is the what the Dominic nature. They feels I am a doer, I am doing everything. They don't believe in God. But what is a full form of God? God. God. Today's question. God का मतलब क्या है? आज का क्वेश्चन है, ये लिख के रखिए, क्लास खत्म होने के बाद anyone can ask me, I will give you the answer. उसका फुल फॉर्म क्या है? Prabhupada said such people in the past, where is Hitler, Napoleon Bonaparte, Alexander the Great? These people came in this world, they conquered so many vast lands, cities, countries. They they roam around the world. You know, the sun, kitna bada hai? How big is our sun? We can put 14 lakhs Earth in sun. Sun is such a huge planet. Such a big sun is, and it is a creation of the God, and it is a 93 million miles away from us, and it is a moving at a 16,000 miles per second. It's a sun speed. If we do like this, then 2 सेकंड हो गया, कितना मून ने डिस्टेंस पास पावर रोटेशन कर लिया, अशेष तेजा. And this is all happening by Krishna's order. What about our tiny planet? If we say Milky Ocean, Milky Way, that calls all the universe that comes in, and it is goes zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. और एक Milky White कुछ NASA को दिखा है, and they says this is what. And in if we say uh, this universe and in this material world, this Prithvi, this Earth, it's like tiny dot. It is negligible. It's like a parmanu. It's anu, and in that one jivatma. So many galaxies, but man feels so proud of him. He said, "This is me, my, and I," because they don't know Atma is tiny and Atma is a servant of the God. This is a problem. So what they think, they are all, we feel that everything's happened to in this world is because of me. This demonic people nature. This is further 16 verse. अनेक चित्त विभ्रांता मोह जाल समावृताः प्रसक्ता काम भोगेषु पतन्ति नरकेषु च. What saying? The demoniac man knows no limit to his desire to acquire money. That is unlimited. He thinks only of how much assessment he has just now and schemes to engage that stock of wealthy future and future. For the reason he does not hesitate to act in any sinful way, so deal in the black market for illegally gratification. He believes in own strength only. He does not know whatever he's gained, that is because of the past punyas, because past good karmas. He simply thinks what? Demonic people just think what? This is all happening because of me. Prabhupada said in this purport, because of the persons, anyone Jivatma takes birth in a good family or wealthy family, because and he takes birth in a wealthy family, educates, he gets education, beautiful, healthy. Why? Because of the good karma, past good karmas. But in the demonic things or demonic, what they think, this is all accidental. This is all because of me. They says this is my personal acclamation. And in here it says anyone who comes in contact with uh, any demonic person believes in strength on his personal work, not in the law of karma. Anyone who come into the competition with such a demonic man in the enemy, there are many demonic people and each in enemy of others. This enmity because more and more deep between person than between families. What? Between families, then between societies, and last between nations. Therefore, there is constant terrify, war and enmity all over the world. So what is happening? This is a dominant nature, what is happening around us right now, what we are seeing. Fighting, everyone is fighting. What? Nobody's wanted to be happy in this world. Each and every countries are fighting with each and everyone. This is a proper example. This is a live example of demoniac nature. ये सारे असुर है. And why they are asur? They are demoniac because nobody is accepting the scriptures. They are not following their life according to the scriptures. If they have learned the scriptures, ये जब खुई ज्ञान इनको पता चलेगा, तब इनको पता चलेगा कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं, why we are doing it, why we wanted to acquire, why we wanted to win over every countries. They can easily be a very peaceful everyone, but this is a dominant nature of everyone. The groups, parties, they fight if HUL. So there is one real story in July 2019 in Latur. There was one tuition center started by one man. Okay, but this is a long story. But, I'll just keep it and we'll go ahead of this because we have to cover it till text number 24. So in next shloka, Atma Sambhavita Sabda Dana Mana Madanvita Yajante Nama Yagyesa Dambena Vibhu Vipurvakam. Self complex and always imputed, diluted by wealth and false prestige. They sometimes proudly perform sacrifice in name only, without following any rules and regulations. So this is the what that describes self-complacement and always imputed. They sometimes proudly perform sacrifice in name only. The big people we have seen, they donate. Right now also there are so many people are donating foods, and they are distributing so many things to poor people who have trapped. They are not able to go to they are not able to get to native. And what they do, they give charity and they click the photos. And this is the dominic nature. We give and we accept that I should get return my name and fame. I did it. This is not recommended. If I give you the example, uh, if I say this is all the materially or scientifically, there is so many invention is happening. AC, fan, lights, everything, electricity. But so uh, this is one scientists have researched that Because of this modernization, our climate is getting changed. In Mumbai, how we are living, and if you go to the any north side, where very beautiful place where there is no
Yeah.
much more industrial and everything. How they please, and if you think over it, the whole world is like this. अगर ये पूरी दुनिया ऐसे होती तो क्या? Really, it's practical. ये दुनिया ऐसी ही थी. We don't require anything. We don't require. We just require what? The scriptures. Once uh, once a Radha Govind Maharaj told this. What is the problem of everything? Why the people is suffering in this material world? So so many disciples in lecture they said this, and he gave one answer. What is the problem? He said once what one. Anybody want to say in our forum? Okay, I'll give you the answer. Education. How? You think over it. Radha Maharaj says the problem, the most biggest, huge problem, education. हम बहुत ज्यादा पढ़ाई करते हैं, पढ़ाई ज्यादा करने से हमें क्या होता है, आगे की चेंज स्टार्ट हो जाती है, and we get trapped in this one. Further what Radha Govind Maharaj said, कि अगर आप हिंदी में भागवतम पढ़ सकते हैं, आपको आइए आपको पढ़ने लिखने आ गया, बस उतनी ही पढ़ाई करनी चाहिए किसी को. This is a big topic, and then that lecture went ahead for half an hour, and how he described the sentence is very true. If someone is not convinced with that, they can raise the hand in our forum. If somebody is not convinced, if then they can ask me the question in the end of this forum, and I can answer you how it is possible. This education is the most problematic for us, but modern man will not follow it. This is a problem we have. So the next, they have a hypocritical nature. Hypocritical. Dambe vidhi napurvukam. So-called religious activities. We have seen that in some villages there is different activity, and some village very close by, but we have some different activities. And in this they say, okay, this religious activity, the Dominic people, they do cut the goats in front of the uh, they give charity after killing the goats, uh, feed the people, and they drink liquor, and how they convert the people also. So earlier there was no slow smoking and drinking, but now they have everyone converted. So there is a degradation. They claim that we are following some religion, but it is a degradation because it is not mentioned in any scriptures. And Krishna describes here that that is a wrong thing, that Bali and everything what is happening. Still somebody says, अरे ये होता है, वो हमको वो करना है, हम वो बलि है. Krishna says in 16:17 it is not recommended. Next, अहंकारम बलम दर्पम कामम क्रोधम से संश्रितः मामत् पर प्रदेश देहेषु pratikshto bhaya suyaka pradvishsanto abhisuyukaha. A demoniac person being always against God's supremacy, does not like to believe in scriptures. He envious of both the scriptures and the existence of supreme personality of Godhead. He denies scripturality, and he puts forward false argument against the existence of God and deny the scriptures authority. These people sometimes desire, uh, this they become, they wanted to be a very powerful in this material world. And by this, if we don't they don't become a very powerful in this material world, and they die, what happens? In next life they become elephant or tiger, lion. Prabhupada says, because they wanted to attack others. In previous life they wanted to attack everyone, so in a next life, Prabhupada said, they get the body of lion, tiger, elephant, like that. Yeah. Next, 19. Tanaham dvishatam kurunaram sansareshu naradhaman shipamya jastra manubhana suri vesha yonishu. I'll just read the next verse also, because we almost got a good line. Asuri yogi nama prapta muda manijamti mamam pavyana konteya tato yadha yatmadya ma gating. What happens to these peoples? He says, the placing of particular soul and body, they don't get a supreme lord. So these people are, they born in a womb of, or they born in a womb of mother by superior power. So they born sometimes in animals, insect, accidental. As for a demoniac, it's clearly said that they are perpetually put into the wombs of demons, and thus they continue to be envious, the lowest of mankind. So God is never merciful to demoniac. Prabhupada explains here. Never. It is clearly stated. The demoniac people, they take birth again and again in a lower system. Right now, if I have a human body and we become a demoniac nature, then अब हमारा पतन होगा. शेर अगर उसमें भी नहीं हुआ, then उसके insect, अगर उसमें भी हम नहीं सुधरे, तो amoeba, whatever, cats, dogs and hogs, Prabhupada said, there is no chance of receiving mercy in any life. So it's clearly stated that the demons are not achieve the mercy of Supreme Lord. Down and down, they go down and down. Already explained. The Veda also, it is stated that such person gradually sinks to become dogs and hogs, and it may be then argue in this connect that God should not be advertising all merciful. He is not mercy to such demons. He, in answer to the question in Vedanta Sutra, we find that the Supreme Lord has no hatred for anyone. I give you the example. If अगर किसी का boil हुआ है, this is what examples I heard. That's what I'm connecting. If there is some boil is happening in our body, if we go to the doctor, so doctor क्या बोलता है? इसको पकने दो. And he gives you the medicine के उसको बड़ा करता है. It becomes. And once what happens, that he find that no, this is the right time, so he cuts that boil. So doctor makes the uh, the doctor allows the boy to become a more uh, mature, and then how the doctor cuts. So the Lord happens. So Lord भी वही करते हैं. Lord also does the same thing. So जो dominant people की जो nature होता है, how the natures are, Lord allow him to increase his desires and become more dominant, and they become Ravana, Duryodhana, Hiranyakashipu, and the boil is too big, and then personally Krishna comes, Lord comes, and they cut their head, cut the boils. And while the Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, kills them, so they go to the Brahmaji and merge into the Brahmajyoti. So this is how Ravana Hiranyakashipu becomes. Now, so yesterday also there was a quick summary I have shared. So Raspberry Prabhu, you can share that to our group, that summary which was not displayed yesterday, so that you can put on it. And now, not this one, yesterday one which was not displayed, you can send it to everyone. This is the last slide, you can remove it. Yeah. So now the last 21 to 24, getting free from demoniac qualities. Lesson 3, getting free from demonic qualities, verse number 21 to 24, last section. How does one become demoniac? And he so the beginning of demoniac life is described herein, that tries to satisfy his lust. So if I say what is the most problematic area of this demoniac people, so in purport, if you in a translation, if you read 21 shloka, Prabhupada explains here lust, anger, and greed. These three things we have to be away from that: lust, anger, and greed. So you all are know about it, because since 12 chapters we are hearing about lust, greed, and anger. We have already heard in detail in Sistastakam also. So this is what the three things which makes oneself demoniac. So 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 Krishna will describe how we should avoid being controlled by them. This lower tendency, he said, this is a lower tendency. This is a lower tendency. So how we should overcome this? By acting as per the scriptures, shastras. So this is what Krishna explains. Does not want to guide down to the pieces of demonic life, must try to give up these three enemies. Give up three enemies: lust, anger, and greed, which can kill the self to such an exultant that there will be no possibility of liberation from this material entanglement. I'll give you one example. You must be hearing that. What is a human being? Think before acting. An animal, demoniac, just do it. This is you understand this. Think before you act means you refer to Shastra. Whatever act I am doing in my life, refer to the Shastra, scriptures. Otherwise, if we react, whatever conditions, whatever situations comes in our life, and we immediately react without referring to the Shastras, that means you are animal. We are animal. We are not divine. We are demoniac. Krishna says. So essence of the Vedic knowledge to be a devotee of the Lord, Supreme Personality of Krishna. This is the experience. One should be very careful for these three enemies to human life: lust, anger, and greed. If someone is not very much high position, but at least he should follow the Shastras, Prabhupada says here, for gradual elevations. And further, there is a varnashram rules, there is a moral codes. So there is a enjoy the sense gratification. There is rules also how to enjoy the sense gratifications. Shastras are regulating our sense gratification. Shastras don't say no sex within marriage. Shastras never said no food. They said only prasadam, offered food. This, so that Shastra doesn't want to prohibit you to the things, but Shastras give you the regulated life, regulated, following the direction of the scriptures, and one should go follow the scriptures uh, thoroughly and slowly graduate to the mode of goodness, slowly graduate to the divinity. So this is the what sloka is. Trividham, 21st sloka. Trividham narakesha dwara nasham atmanah kama krodhasta labhaste smade tatreya tyajet. Give up these three gateways to hell, Arjun. Lust, anger, and greed, we already discussed. So, so there is a, hell. सबको पता है hell and heaven. If a man doing a illicit sex with the woman, so which is not religious to married him, so what happened in narkas? Fiery body, the person has to embrace. Nobody want to embrace the red hot body, but in hell they have to do it. So if somebody is drinking liquor, then what happens in naraka? He have to drink iron, molten iron. So now question arise कि प्रभु जी ऐसे हो गया तो ये तो मर जाना चाहिए. But in hell we get the body, ये soul को है ना special type का body मिलता है. Withstand the things, withstand the pain. See, in here we have the body where till some extent we can extend the pain. Once that beyond our extent, we get die. हम मर जाते हैं. But नरक में ऐसा नहीं है. नरक की जो बॉडी है, that is meant for the नरक के लिए बनाई है, जो वेद वो ताप सहन करने के लिए बनाई. It means it is mentioned in Bhagavatam. There is a 28 types of hell in this Krishna created. 28 types of hell is there. Fifth canto, if you wanted to go, and then you can see. Gradually, somebody follows the shastras and everything. He gradually he gradually elevated to the supreme abode. What Krishna gives hope also in 22nd verse. Ete vivuktaha kaunteya taro dware shribhirnarah atma acharatmanatmana shreyasto yati param gatim. The more person is in the more a person is free from lust and anger and greed, the more he exists, becomes pure, and then he can follow the rules and regulation enjoy in the Vedic literature. By following the regulated principles of human lives, one regularly raises himself in the platform of spiritual realization. So in this devotion service, the deliverance of the material, the soul is guaranteed. Krishna says here. It's very important. And you follow the scriptures, you will be coming directly to Param Gatim. see 22nd shloka, it is mentioned Param Gati. Param Gati means perfection. The supreme destination. We will reach there. And the last verse, Krishna, what he says. This is the last verse of this chapter. Ya Shastra Vidhi Mrityuscha Vartate Kama Karatah Na sa Sindhima va proti na sukham na param gatim. 24th verse. Tasmat Chatram Pranam Te Karya Vyavasthito Gnatvam Shastra Vidhanoktam Karma Kartum Mihasasi. Those people who give up the shastras and act whimsically, they neither be happy in this world and in this next birth, next world also. But who is not but who is aligned with the shastra scriptures, and they know what to do, what not to do. And if somebody engage himself in activities which is spiritually, they attain all perfection. So Raspberry Bro, can you bring that slide? So in this slide, you can say the person is gradually elevating how accept as the first step. You can see accepts of spiritual master. I was hearing this lecture and I screenshot. That's why Radhesham Prabhu's the screen is there. Study of the Vedas. We have to study the Vedas, and we have to do the austerity, sense control. We have to control our senses, and if we follow these steps gradually, if we study Veda and then we follow the austerities and sense control, and then what happens? Spiritual knowledge comes, and we gradually elevates. We'll go to back home to Godhead. You can remove this problem. This is the man who has escaped these three gates. Three gates, who has escaped these three gates means what Krishna says. What is the three gates? Lust, anger, and greed. We have to give up. But Prabhuji, it's very difficult. Question arises, how we should give up? If somebody does a very strong sadhana bhakti, he definitely achieves. So this is chapter, last slok 24. This is the end of the 16th chapter, the divine and Dominic nature.